Right, in lesson number 3 now, we were looking at multiplying a binomial by a binomial, finding their products. Alright, so when I say binomial, I have two terms in the first bracket, two terms in the second bracket, no plus or minus in between the brackets, so this must be multiplied by that. So note, brackets have two terms separated by plus or minus, therefore they're binomial. Right, and here we assume I'm going to explain FOIL. So first term in each bracket, 2a and 3a. Outer terms in each bracket would be the 2a and 6b. Inner terms in each bracket is 3b and 3a. The last terms is 3b and 6b. Together they form FOIL. So taking first letter of each word, we create the word FOIL, and we're going to multiply in that order, meaning first by first, first by outer, then my inner with the inner, and then my inner with the outer, or the two last terms. Alright, so let's look at the first problem. Alright, so if we look at the first problem here, I have 2a plus 3b times 3a plus 6b. So using FOIL, I'm going to multiply the first with the first, so 2a times 3a. My outers, this is outer and outer, so 2a times 6b. My inners, 3b times 3a. And my last, 3b times 6b. So 2a times 3a would give me 6a squared. 2 times 6 gives me 12ab. 3 times 3 gives me 9ab. 3 times 6 would give me 18. b times b gives me b squared. So when I'm done multiplying, I will always look for like terms. They have highlighted it for you in blue. That's AB and AB. Alright, so my outer plus inner, my like terms. 12 plus 9, AB, gives me 21AB. So therefore I have 6a squared plus 21ab plus 18b squared, and that's 3 marks for the last 3. Next problem. Right, so yeah, problem number 2, again, finding products or simplify. I have that two terms, my binomial times the binomial. So applying FOIL, first 4p times 3p. Positive times negative for my outers stays negative, 4p times 6q. Then for my inners, positive times positive stays positive, 3q times 3p. There, positive times negative gives me 3q times 6q. 4 times 3 would give me 12. p times p gives me p squared. Negative stays negative. 4 times 6 would give me 24. pq. Positive 3 times 3 would give me 9. pq. That stays negative. 3 times 6 gives me 18. q times q, q squared. Right? Once I'm done multiplying, I always have to check for my like terms. So they have PQ and PQ in blue. So minus 24 plus 9. PQ, that 12p squared and 18q squared is nothing the same as it, so it stays as appears. So minus 24 plus 9 gives me minus 15 PQ, and there I have my 3 marks. Alright? So you should pick up the procedures the same. We first multiply. Then we add like terms, and then we simplify. Right? It's the same through and through. So you have to practice the procedure, but let's look at problem number 3. Right, so again, multiplying binomial by binomial. Sorry, I forgot to type 3. I have 7x minus 4, 2 terms, 6x minus 2, 2 terms, so binomial times binomial. So in exam, we'd simply say simplify or find the products. So applying FOIL, first times first, 7x times 6x. My outers, first term, last term, so 7x times 2. But remember, positive times negative becomes negative, right? Then my inners, negative times positive is negative. 4 times 6x, and then negative times negative give me positive, and 4 times 2. So I hope the color coding makes it easy for you. 7 times 6 gives me 42. X times x, x squared. Negative 7x times 2 would become negative 14x. Negative 4 times 6x would give me negative 24x. I assume 4 times 2 gives me 8. Alright. Again, check for like terms. So you see the 2 in the middle are my like terms. X squared, there's no other x squared, stays as appears. 8, there's no other constant term, so 8 stays 8. So there, negative and negative. I took the negative out just to show you that this is the same as adding. If I had positive 14 and positive 24, I would have said 14 plus 24. Now I have negative, so simply again 14 plus 24, but it stays negative. So 14 plus 24 would give me 48x. So this simplifies to 42x squared minus 48x plus 8. Alright, if you enjoyed the video and you like, share and subscribe, I promise you will even do better in maths. Alright, wish you nothing but the best. Persevere, be resilient, don't give up. It's your dream, you know you need your maths, continue working.